Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In today's video, I'll show you how to boost CPU speed in Windows 10 and 11. Method 1. Enable maximum CPU cores. Type msconfig in the Windows search option. Go to Boot and click Advanced Options. Check the number of processors and set to the maximum available. Click Apply and OK. Click Exit without restart. Method 2. Set a high-performance power plan. Type power cfg.cpl in the Windows search option. Click the Change Plan settings. Now click Change Advanced Power Settings. Follow on-screen instructions to set the best power plan for the PC. Follow simple steps like adjusting processor settings, optimizing power plans, and disabling background apps. Restart your computer to experience a noticeable boost in CPU performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.